Hello children, it's time for your active learning at home lesson. We are going to do a literacy lesson today, and we're going to look at building words with single sounds. I know by now you should know many single sounds, so let's take a look. So we're going to break up words, and you must try to tell me what they are, and you're also going to write a few words and draw a few pictures for me. Are you ready? Let's go. So I want you to look at the pictures and point to them as I sound them out. Now I'm not going to say the whole word. I'm going to sound them out, and then I want you to point to them as I sound them out. And now you're going to see they're going to pop up on the screen one by one. And as I sound them out, can you find them on the screen? Here we go. Dog. Dog, yes. So we're going to make a little circle around the ones that I've just done. So I've just done dog, and you said dog. Let's see. Bag. Which one is it? Bag. Well done. Let's see if we can do all of them. I want to do all of them with you. Here we go. Find them on the screen. Hat. Hat. Here it is. Let's do another one. Pot. There it is. Pot. Well done. I know you can find them very quickly. So which ones have we done so far? We've done dog. Dog. We've done bag. Bag. We've done pot. Pot. And we've done the last one that has a red circle around it. Hat. Hat. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. Without me helping you, I'm going to sound it out and you find it on the screen. Hen. Yes, hen. There we go. Another one. Pen. Pen. Yes. Sun. Yes, I know you know that one very well. And we have 2 left, this one and this one. Can you sound it with me? We're going to say jug, and you're going to sound it with me. Jug. Jug. Yes. And cat. Cat. And cat was one of the first words which you learned. All right. So let's look at them again quickly. I'm going to change my color. And we're going to say it as I make a little dot to show you which ones I want to hear from you. So we go, say it with me. Bag. Bag. Jug. Jug. Pen. Pen. Pot. Pot. Hen. Dog. Dog. Cat. Cat. Hat. Sun. Now we're going to look at what those words look like. Right. We got bag. Bag. Jug. Jug. Can you say it again for me? Bag. Bag. Jug. Jug. Next one. We're going to say and point again. So we have a pen and a pot. We go pen. Pot. Pot. One more time. Pen. Pot. Good. We have sun, s, a, n, sun, h, e, hat, s, a, n, sun, h, e, hat. Well done. We have 3 left over. Can we say, look at the pictures first and say the words? It's a dog, cat, and a hen. Let's look at dog. D-O-G, dog, k-e, cat, h-e-n, hen. Activity 3. If you see, I have 5 pictures and I have 5 words. They don't match. You need to match the picture with the word. I have bag, jug, pen, pot, hen. If you can grab a piece of paper, draw a picture of a bag and write the word bag next to it. Draw the little jug and write jug next to it. So it's a bit of a matching activity. Look at the picture and match the word. Another set, and I wrote no words for you. I want you to draw the picture and write the words for me. So we heard it's dog, dog, cat, cat, sun, hat. Good. For more fun, go to the following website to find out more about single sounds. I hope you enjoyed my lesson today. Till next time, goodbye.